guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having a great day today. And for any of you who this is your first time watching my videos, welcome to my channel. I do makeup tutorials and I do subscription boxes unboxing. I focus a lot on makeup because I am a makeup junkie, so that's basically what you're gonna see on my channel: tutorials, review of products, and that kind of stuff. But if you're here because of that, because I'm gonna be talking about a product that I am super excited, and it is a makeup palette, and this one came out recently, and it is by Makeup Revolution, and it was done in collaboration with a YouTuber that to me has a special space in my heart, just because she's the first YouTuber that I've ever followed, that I think I even learned, to be honest, makeup with. Her name is Emily Noel 89. She's on YouTube. I have a link down below for her channel if you guys want to check it out. And the product that I'm going to be talking about today comes in this little box, and like I said, it's by Makeup Revolution. It retails for $15, guys, which is super affordable for a makeup palette, which is something that I feel like it's getting more rare these days. Even at the drugstore, everything is just getting so much more expensive that I don't even understand if it needs to be that expensive, or if it's just that makeup brands are taking advantage of junkies like me and just raising the prices. Who knows? I guess we'll never know. At least I don't know. If you guys know, let me know. So this is what the palette looks like, and like, if any of you know or own or have seen Makeup Revolution palettes, they're all made out of this kind of like plastic material, but this one, it looks a little bit even nicer to me, just because, as you can see, it has like the letters are in like a rose gold color. It is so cute. It is pink, beautiful pink color. Emily loves her pink colors, so I think that's something that was expected of her. And then we have a huge mirror right here. I don't want you guys to see my mess, so this is a big mirror, which not all Makeup Revolution palettes have. I think a lot do though. And then this is the products, as you can see over here. So this palette is called the Neats, which I haven't even said because I'm so excited and all over the place. I apologize for that. This palette, as you can see, is one of those palettes that is more complete, and I am super excited for it, because I have been thinking about something like this, like, which palette can I use to travel with that I can kind of minimize the amount of products that I take with me. What got me the most excited was knowing that this palette not only has eyeshadows, but it also has a contour shade over here, which I was nervous, to be honest, because, you know, I'm darker, I have a darker skin tone, and she's very light, and sometimes I know that palettes come with this light colors for contour, which don't work for me a lot of times, and it happens a lot, let me tell you, a lot, okay? But this color really works as a contour for me, and I think anyone who's even a little bit darker will work. If you're the kind of darkest skin tones, probably wouldn't, but this for me does. And then we have a beautiful blush over here in the middle. So this blush is more like a pink, peachy kind of color. It is really nice. And then we have a highlight, which, to be honest, on my skin tone, doesn't really show up that much, and it might be a little too white for my like. I like my highlighters to be a little bit more yellow. I think for someone with lighter skin tones, this is perfect, but for someone with my skin tone or darker, maybe not as much. Plus, I feel like it's a little bit on the dry side. And then we have a light color, which is kind of like I guess you can call it a highlight without shimmer. So this is something that is really good to put underneath your eyes to set your eyes. I think it's nice, it's okay. I don't think it's great, but if, let's say, you're in a rush or you want to do your makeup on the go, I think this is something that is perfect, that I can see myself totally using. And then we have 6 eyeshadow colors. So we have, by the way, another thing, super cute names in this palettes. So I'm not even going to go back and show you guys, but anyways, we have 6 eyeshadow colors, and we have 2 very light colors, which work pretty well to set your eyes in my case, or as a base or whatever. Then we have 2 brown colors. One of them it's kind of like more is a rosy brown kind of thing. At least that's how it shows up on my skin. Then we have a true brown color, which I'm really excited to use today. We have a coral color, which we can use for we can even use as a blush as well. I've done that already. We have a black color, which is not so black. It's more like a I don't know, it's like a purpley black kind of color. And then we have yeah, and then that's pretty much all we have in this palette, guys. Like the name says about the palette, it's called a neat, so it's basically what you would need to do at least a basic look. Today I want to do a look maybe not so basic, because I already did another look on this palette that I'm not even sure if I'll post here on my channel, but I'll post on my social media, on Instagram and Facebook and all of that. So if you guys want to check it out, you might want to also follow me over there to see other looks, because I'm so excited that I'm going to do several looks with this palette. Or if you guys want to see more looks with this palette here on YouTube, let me know down below and I will for sure do that. So anyways, I'm not gonna continue rambling. I'm going to start doing my makeup real quick. I'm going to do my face. I don't know if I'm gonna show you that, so if I do, bear with me. If I don't, then let me know if you have any questions, and then we're gonna start playing with this beautiful palette. guys, so I hope you enjoyed the look. I just wanted to come real quick to just tell you a little bit about the formula of the product before I end this video. And as you saw, the eyeshadows are super smooth. They're a little bit powdery, but I always feel like a good eyeshadow is powdery, at least for me. That is the kind of like the formula that I like, because when they're powdery, they're easier to work with. So for me, it's something that I like. As you saw, I did use the highlight, which for some reason I felt like it's showing up a little more. Like you can see right here in the tip of my nose. I think you can still see it here. When I used it the first couple of times, for some reason I felt like I couldn't see it, so maybe it had like one of those overlays kind of thing on the top. But the fact is that I can see it on my face. It is not my favorite kind of color, but it is gorgeous. It is kind of like that white-ish kind of highlight, but it does have like a holographic kind of thing going on, where you can see a little bit of like a blue sheen coming off of it, which is really nice. Perhaps maybe not so much for this look, but I still wanted to try all the products. As you saw also, I not only used the blush, but I also used this eyeshadow as a blush because I wanted to intensify a little bit my cheeks, especially more like on the top of my cheeks, on the apples of my cheeks. I wanted to intensify a little bit, and I just kind of like put it over my cheeks at the end. But it is really nice color as well. They both work pretty nice. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the look, guys. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, if you like tutorials and if you like reviews and if you like makeup, consider subscribing to my channel to keeping track of all this new makeup stuff that I keep posting. And of course, don't forget to hit the little bell button so you can be notified whenever I post something. So thank you so much for spending some time with me, guys, and let me know if you have any comments or questions down below, and I hope to see you again soon on my channel. Bye!